Welcome back to our channel. Question 29 is about inhibition. Okay, so first of all, look at the question. The question is about inhibitor 1 and 2. Look at them. Which one is competitive and which one is non-competitive? Yes, okay, one is competitive. Okay, so the result is very important. One is competitive. Yeah, because it's go up and we will restore the back. Okay, and number two is non-competitive. Allotropic, you can say with different word for it. Non-competitive. And then try to look at the question. Okay, to see any part of it need the diagram. Okay, look at the question. Anyone refer to the diagram? It is C. At very low substrate concentration, inhibitor 2 shows a higher inhibitory effect. So low substrate, 2 higher. Look at here. Low substrate. Yes, 2 is highest. No, higher weight. Okay, so the inhibition by inhibitor 2 is lower, weaker. Can you see? Higher weight means a weaker inhibition, okay? So we can sure that C is incorrect. Can you see? Higher curve means lower inhibition. IB is always like this, opposite. So C is wrong. And after that, you can forget about the graph because the question is not, the other three option is not about the details of the diagram. So look at A, B, and D. Okay, remember one is competitive and two is non-competitive. We have two things. Okay, which one must be wrong? Okay, maybe you have pause it and think about it. Okay, first of all, active site, both. Oh no, I remember active site is for 1 or 2. Competitive, non-competitive. Yes, competitive for the active site. The other way is allotropic, right? B, specific. Do they need to be specific to the reaction? No, especially for the non-competitive thing, right? Just stick to the enzyme and change the shape of the enzyme, right? Right? So this one specific. Oh, is D correct? Maybe next time you find out D is also incorrect. Unlucky, okay? Then you have to rethought about your procedure again. Sorry. Inhibitor 1 and substrate have similar shape. Ah, active sites, right? Remember, active sites. Except at the active site shape, they have to be similar, right? The inhibitor and then the enzyme, they have to have the same shape, right? The shape, similar. And then they can be inhibited, right? At least at the active sites, okay? They have to have a similar shape. Although because this one to me, because A, B, C must be correct, so I will choose D. But if ABC has one is a very correct, obvious correct one, then I don't choose D because I can just say they have similar shapes at the active sites, right? Complementary active sites, right? Yeah, at the active site similar, but how about the other parts? No guarantee, right? Right? They can have other shape, any shape you like, right? If not talking about the active sites, okay? So this is a little bit artistic to me, controversial. Because ABC must be wrong, so I choose D. If ABC has one very, very good, more obvious one, then because option D is not written very clear, then I will choose D to be wrong. But now ABC are wrong, so my choice is option D is correct. So think about it, okay? Always controversial sometimes, even to experienced teacher, okay? So to you, you find it controversial is natural, okay? So relax. And we say Done. See you for next question.